This is how you sneeze. And once you sneeze, you have to start on the elbow. So, first, you make a sound. But don't sneeze yet until move your elbow here and then sneeze. Like, achoo! That's how we learn. But how to learn it is from elmo.com. You have to search up to the upstairs room. You could see it on your own. And if you see that on regular one, not on the PBS Kids app, we can do more with all those video apps. We could do those ones. So let's get started like achoo. So once we start doing that, we'll do some talking about of the PBS Kids video apps. It's good for learning, and the commercials are good. And for the sneezing contest, we're going to have a sneezing contest, whoever sneeze on their elbow. So first, if they have to do a real sneeze, they go, yeah, and then move your elbow and then sneeze. Achoo! That's the end.